Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how long should you put off investing to save for a house. Let's get into the video. The first thing to do is to decide on how much you want to spend on a house and how much you want to save on a down payment. The next thing to consider is to work on tightening your spending temporarily while you work on saving for a house. For example, cut back on eating out. So if you are accustomed of eating out 5 days a week, maybe you could limit it to 2 days a week. Also, you could look at trimming your shopping budget for a short period of time. You could look to hold off on your retirement savings temporarily and instead put the money towards your down payment. This has to be done very precise because you do not want to fall behind on investing for retirement. Therefore, I would suggest to save for down payment for the purpose of a house while you hold off from investing for retirement for no longer than 2.5 years for the max. 3 years will be pushing it. At the end of the day, one of your main financial goals is to be saving for retirement. So you do not want to be not saving for retirement for that long period of time. If you want to learn how to invest your money, please check out my course on how to invest your money below of the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.